Real English conversation. Dialogue 1.
Good afternoon. Where are you flying to?
Good afternoon. I am flying to London.
Do you have your tickets?
Here is my ticket.
How many people are traveling?
It's my son and I. He is under 2 years old.
Can I have your passports, and I will need to see his birth certificate to prove that he is under 2 years of age.
Sure. Here they are.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I would be very happy if we can get an aisle seat. I may have to walk him around if he gets bored.
All right, I'll put you near the restrooms too.
Wonderful, thanks. Is it possible to check in the stroller?
Sure. Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, this suitcase and my backpack.
Let's put them on the scale, one at a time, please.
Sure. And by the way, I have a layover in Paris. Do I have to pick up my luggage there?
No, you will pick them up in London. Here's your boarding pass. You are all set. Be at the gate at least 45 minutes prior to the departure time.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Dialogue 2. Conversation on the phone between friends.
Good morning. I am Lucas. Can I please have Justin on the phone?
Hey, Lucas. It's me, Justin. How are you, buddy?
Hey, Justin. I'm rocking. We haven't spoken since long. Therefore, thought to give you a call and inquire.
I am going a bit busy, mate. But have enough time for friends, though.
That's you. You are always there for me. No matter what.
You are flattering me. Tell me the reason behind you calling me instead of showing up at my door as usual?
Tomorrow is my birthday. And I wish to have every friend of mine for the celebration.
Wow, that's amazing. Where's the party?
At my home.
Okay, and what time?
Starts from 12 midnight till tomorrow late evening.
Are you insane, Lucas?
Yes, I guess.
You are impossible. Indirectly, you are inviting me for a sleepover. You know that very well. My mom will never permit me.
I know, but I really wish you convince your mom for this time.
But you know very well I just can't persuade her. It's an impossible task.
Look, my friend, after going through 9 months of pandemic, online learning, and no outdoor activities, we kids deserve some time with friends. I have invited everyone and all are coming. They all are very excited.
I understand, buddy, but I don't think my mom will agree.
Why I strongly feel that this time she won't deny. She knows, we have had no get-together or parties or outdoor picnics this year, and we really deserve this one.
Okay, I get you. No need to be so sentimental. I will try talking to her, but if she doesn't budge, then I can't bother trying to reason with her any further.
Okay, I'm glad. At least you are ready to try.
Let everyone from our group know that I'm excited to meet everyone.
That's really sweet of you, Justin. I am quite optimistic about everything.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
By the way, when will you speak to her?
Right now, she is at the office. She leaves for the day at 5 p.m. I will talk to her once she is back home. I will update you accordingly.
Sounds perfect.
By the way, tell me, what do you expect as a gift?
Oh, forgot to mention that.
Anything for you?
This birthday, I am not accepting any gifts from friends. I don't want to bother anyone. I just want to spend some quality time with my friends, and that is going to be my special gift this year. I want nothing else.
You are so considerate, Lucas. You know what? This is the reason you are called a cool dude within our group.
Thanks, my friend. Look forward to see you tonight.
Me too.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel to receive more videos like this one. Give us your like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.